Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get Demon King Atreus in Archero 2. If you're aiming to unlock Demon King Atreus in Archero 2, here's how it works. Atreus is a legendary character introduced with a special event, and unlike standard heroes, he isn't free to play friendly. To obtain him, you'll need Eon cars, which you can exchange in the Demon King shop. One Eon core grants 50 fragments, and that's just enough to unlock Atreus. You can earn these scores through event draws with a guaranteed drop after 40 pulls, though this can cost quite a bit, potentially up to $300 if your luck isn't great. Along the way, you might get some bonus rewards from tasks or the Demon King Fund, but those are more of a smooth boost rather than a full solution. Once you finally secure your Eon car, simply head over to the exchange shop, redeem it for the fragments, and just like that, Demon King Atreus becomes yours to use in battle. Keep in mind, he's designed to be rare and powerful, so the investment is high, but the payoff can be game changing. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.